government, where are you? This is a swamp. This is a swamp around KAAZI. Why don't you come and stop such people before constructions go very far? Our government of Uganda, as you fight those people in Lubigi, these ones are destroying the environment at KAAZI. Please turn up and do something. Swamp management, those ones who in NEMA, come out and do something with KAAZI. We can't support such things going on. This is what is going on. The whole swamp is being destroyed by these guys claiming to be developing KAAZI. They are illegally doing what they are doing, and if the government is supporting such acts, why is it chasing away poor people from other swamps and couldn't fight for Lake Victoria, couldn't fight for nature around KAAZI? Please, humanitarians, come and fight for this swamp. What is happening? They are putting stones in the water and covering it with the soil, so they are expanding into Lake Victoria. Please, humanitarians, come out and fight for nature. This land is going, the swamp is going, Lake Victoria is being destroyed around KAAZI area. Please come and do something as the scouts are fighting for their land. Let also NEMA do something to show that they are concerned with nature. For us as scouts, we promise to protect the environment, and whatever is going on is illegal. The guys are taking KAAZI land, and not only taking KAAZI land, but they are also destroying the environment illegally. Come and save the environment. Our government. This has been a great swamp with a great forest and scenery, but it is being destroyed.